factor 3 of 164. So 164, it can be written as 2 times 82. 2 times 82 mean 164. 81, it can be written as 2 times 41. 2 times 41 mean 82. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2 and 41. So we can write 164 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times these 2 times this 41. So this much for today and thanks for watching.